Hello and welcome everyone to my island in the sun. Thank you for tuning into A Taste of St. Martin. Today we have on the menu a flourless chocolate pecan cake. This recipe is great for the holiday season and it's amazingly delicious, simple and easy to make. The ingredients listed here are the necessary ingredients to make the cake. At the end, I will add some optional ingredients. The first thing you want to do is add the bottom half of your double boiler to the stove with about 1.5 cup of water and let simmer. Then you want to go ahead and add the top half of your double boiler. I added a bowl down in my double boiler and then I added my chocolate and butter into the bowl. You want the butter and chocolate to completely melt. So you want to go ahead and get a spoon or use a spatula to stir your ingredients until it is completely melted. While the chocolate and butter continues to melt, you want to go ahead and begin to add your pecans to your food processor or blender or whatever chopper you have on hand. You want your pecans finely chopped. Once the pecans are finely chopped, you want to begin by adding the rest of your ingredients. Go ahead and add your 6 eggs, your vanilla, your sugar, salt, and then your cooled chocolate and butter mixture. Once you add all of your ingredients together, you want to make sure all of your ingredients are blended thoroughly. As the ingredients continue to blend together, if you see any of the ingredients stuck on the inner part of your blender or food processor, you want to go ahead and get a spoon or spatula to remove it from the sides and continue to blend until your batter is smooth and well blended together. Then remove your mixture and pour the batter into your buttered pan that is lined with parchment paper. Then go ahead and bake in your 350-degree preheated oven for about 40 minutes. After baking for about 40 minutes, this is how your cake should look like. When you first remove your cake from the oven, it will have risen to look very fluffy. As it cools, it will fall, but this is what it's supposed to do. This cake has a very flaky top crust and it is very moist inside. It is very delicious. Once your cake has cooled, then you want to take a knife and run the tip of the knife around the pan to loosen up the cake from the corners of your pan. Now you can remove your cake and place it on a plate or a cake dish. At this point, some people tend to want to clean up the cracks off of the cake, but I do not think this is necessary. It's more cosmetic than anything else. Then go ahead and shake some confectionate sugar over your cake. You can add some fresh grated coconut. This is optional. That's what I like, so I added that. I added some fresh berries to mine. You can take and choose whatever type of berries you like. This is our finished dish. What we have here is some sprinkled confectionate sugar. We have some fresh grated coconuts, some blueberry, and some fresh raspberry. You can serve it with some whipped cream if you like. This recipe was very moist, very delicious, and very flavorful. We decide to try this recipe. Please don't forget to like, share, and comment. And until next time, always progressing, always cooking.